Hello everybody. Well, guess this here is our home office, okay? Or our computer area is what some people pronounce it. Now this area has recently been renovated, okay? You notice that this area received a very similar aspect to what my bedroom got, okay? Now unfortunately I did not do any videos of the progress, okay, apparently. But yeah, it is still incomplete. As you can see, the window frame there is obviously needs to be painted. My dad needs to paint it. But this is our home office, or just computer area is what some people pronounce it. Okay, but this is just the area where my dad uses the computer. Okay, and I'll show you around the area. Okay, now this area you've seen before. Of course, you might have seen it when I did the video of the light fitting there. Okay, and last year, and when I did the Christmas video in some areas out here. Okay, but now I'm going to show you this renovated area, show you what we did. It's a very similar thing to what we did in my bedroom. Okay, so we'll move on over. Okay, so we'll start off over here. Now all this used to be brick wall. Okay, but what we've done is we've put wall boarding over it to hide all those ugly looking bricks. So a lot of the bricks were worn out. Now the wall board, of course, is actually a different colour. That's because Bunnings were out of stock of the colour that I used in my bedroom. Okay, but yeah, so this here is a cupboard. Okay, this cupboard just has stuff in it. I'll open it up and show you what's inside. There's what's inside the cupboard right there. It is just, you know, just a bit of a mess. We'll have to clean it up, sort it out. There we have a calendar, of course. Up there we got a shelf with some stuff on it. Okay, over here we have a filing cabinet. Okay, on this top drawer, we just got pens and containers. Next drawer down, we just got cables. And the bottom drawer is just folders. Next up, we have a printer, just a Brother printer. Okay, behind that printer, we got a power board, a Clipsal, one of those homemade ones. Up here, we have the telephone, and of course, my MacBook, an iPad, and another iPhone. Up here, we just got books up the top. Top shelf, we got some other stuff. Okay, up here, the books again, we got a couple of safes. On this shelf here, we got another printer. We got some stuff in there with all our stuff in another iPad. Here we have the Wi-Fi routers and my mouse. Here we have my money box. And down under here, let's take a seat. Down under here, we have our charging block for the devices. Now that's actually another one of those homemade ones. Now that one's actually a vertical type one. I have another one of those which is a horizontal. Okay, but that one's the vertical version. We also have some Magic Touch LED lights above here as well. Okay, here we have another power board. We also got some speakers with some LED lights. Got a battery charger there. We got a scanner. Here we have our desktop computer. It's just a simple HP. Obviously Dad can't afford a Mac, because I do want a Mac, but an iMac, because that would be good. Okay, behind there we've got another power board. Just pull this monitor. Whoops, drop a speaker. If you can see, there's just another power board behind there. Okay, we've got these speakers. These speakers are actually quite unique. If I can get it back up. Just wants to keep slipping apparently. Doesn't want to stay up. There we go. Okay, so that's what's behind the desktop. There we have my dad's wristband. Here we have our mouse. Okay. Down here we have another printer. That's an A3 printer. Here we have another filing cabinet, and this one here is just more stuff. Down the bottom there's just some hard drives. Now over here is the window. Apparently this is incomplete. Dad had to fill in a lot of holes in the architrave and everything. So we do need to, and we actually need to give the frame another coat of paint. Okay, and Dad has to sand all that and then completely repaint it. Now with the floor, we obviously didn't do the carpeting. Okay, we didn't do any carpeting on the floor, and this floor is really shot. As you can see, it's very rotted out. It will need replacing, obviously. But apparently they don't have this type of flooring anymore. It is obsolete. They have discontinued manufacturing it. So if we wanted to replace, we probably should have we did put a little carpet tile down, but we probably should have put them all around the whole room. Okay, but we obviously didn't. And over here, we didn't obviously do this wall. I was hoping to get a little piece of wallboard in that spot there, but we obviously didn't do that. But this is the lounge room, and that will get renovated in the future. Okay, I'll do a separate video of that that, but yeah, so that there is my home office, of course. So I hope you enjoyed seeing it, and that'll be it.